So I got another C grade #1 Mark III from Royal Tiger Imports. These are pretty good project guns. They will need some work, but overall, I think they're pretty much worth the price. Pretty happy with what I got. So go ahead and take a closer look at it. Starting with the butt. It's got the butt plate with both butt plate screws. It look like they're in good shape. It does have a stock disc here, and you can see it has an Iraqi marking in there, which is pretty interesting. Has the sling swivel and both screws. Does look like a stock repair here, but that's pretty common. Wrist is in good shape, so the butt is pretty solid. Bolt looks good. It's got the screw there for the firing pin. It's got the correct magazine. Now, I did order a magazine with it. It didn't come with one, so I just went ahead and ordered one from them. They're pretty good price, so I went and just got one. Bolt looks like it's in pretty good shape. Taking a closer look at the markings. It is Iraqi marked as well on both the receiver and the barrel. And this is a 1936 BSA, and it's a Mark III Star. So somewhat uncommon date. They didn't make too many of these in peacetime. Doesn't appear that the bolt matches the serial number of the rifle. It's got an early style sight protector here. And it looks like the handguard here is in decent shape. Both of them are missing their ears here, but that's pretty common. Has a complete rear sight. It's got the band and the swivel. It's got a nose cap with stacking swivel there. Let's go ahead and turn over. Look on the other side. Butt looks pretty good too. Does have a complete safety. Safety's pretty gummed up, so I have to take a look at that. There's that import mark. They definitely got a better marking machine for these, but unfortunately with the recessed barrels, they can't put it under the barrel. Got to put it on the receiver. It's looking pretty good so far. That's where things kind of get a little ugly. You can see there's a big chunk of wood missing here. Some wire wheel marks. Take this off. There's definitely probably not much left of the draws on this guy. Does look like it has the screw here. Trigger guard, there's a very large crack here as well. So I'm not sure if this forend is going to be worth salvaging, but I'll definitely take a look at it. I do have another forend that I could put on this and fit to it. And this would make a pretty good forend for me to use for repairs. Now this isn't exactly a perfect way of doing this, but I don't have my gauges on me right now, so a little bullet test here. You can see the 303 does a pretty good job of gripping the rifling right there. So at least there's not a ton of muzzle wear. So I'll go ahead and break this down in a future video and clean it up, show you how it looks. And I'll do some repairs to this and take it to the range at some point. Should be pretty fun to shoot, especially having done it as a project like this. Should be a good shooter, so looking forward to that. If you'd like to be alerted of that video, feel free to subscribe and sign up for alerts. If you have any questions about this rifle, feel free to drop them in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching.